Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we take you inside the most extraordinary homes across the United States, places where architecture, design, and imagination unite to define modern luxury. Today we bring you an exclusive look at a breathtaking $12.5 million waterfront estate in St. Michaels, Maryland, a home that embodies grace, power, and timeless craftsmanship. Set on more than 91 acres of lush land along the tranquil Miles River, this property redefines private living. A long tree-lined driveway leads you through manicured lawns and ponds framed by gazebos and glowing fountains until the full splendor of this estate reveals itself. The moment you arrive, you understand that this is not just a residence, it's a masterpiece built for those who expect the best that life has to offer. Completed in 2016 by a respected Washington, D.C. builder for his own family, every inch of this home reflects commercial-grade strength and artistic precision. The stately facade combines classic colonial architecture with modern elegance. Tall white columns rise from stone terraces, wide windows capture golden sunlight, and the symmetry of the design feels both grand and welcoming. Stepping through the massive mahogany doors, you enter a soaring foyer crowned by chandeliers and detailed custom millwork. Sunlight spills across polished marble floors, and the first glimpse of the waterfront pulls your gaze straight through the living area toward the horizon. High ceilings ranging from 12 to 14 feet create an air of openness and freedom, while the soft neutral palette keeps every room bright and serene. The main living space is designed for both comfort and spectacle. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels blur the line between interior luxury and the peaceful river beyond. Elegant furniture arrangements make it easy to imagine evenings here with friends, firelight glowing, and music drifting softly through the hallways. From every angle, the craftsmanship stands out: flawless woodwork, sculpted moldings, and handcrafted staircases that curve gracefully to the upper level. Flowing naturally from the living room, the gourmet kitchen becomes the heart of the home. Outfitted with Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, granite countertops, and a massive center island, it is perfect for both intimate family breakfasts and elaborate dinner parties. Nearby, a bright casual dining nook overlooks the water, while a formal dining room comfortably seats 14 beneath a glittering chandelier. Every meal here feels like an event, every moment elevated by the quiet beauty of the setting. This mansion includes 9 bedrooms and 13 baths, each designed with the same attention to comfort and detail. The primary suite is a sanctuary of its own, featuring a marble fireplace, walls of glass opening to a private balcony, and panoramic views of the river. The adjoining spa bathroom gleams with waterworks fixtures, a freestanding soaking tub, and a rain shower framed in marble. Guest suites throughout the home mirror this luxury, offering en-suite baths and restful views across gardens or shoreline. For entertainment and lifestyle, the possibilities seem endless. A standalone apartment connected to the main residence includes a grand room with cathedral ceilings, a pool table, and a refreshment bar, an ideal retreat for guests. Downstairs, the game and media areas are built for fun, with comfortable seating and cutting-edge sound systems. 2 broad porches invite you outdoors for dining or relaxation, and when evening falls, the reflection of the sunset across the Miles River turns the property into a living painting. Outside, every path leads to another moment of wonder: stone patios, a sparkling pool, fountains glimmering in the twilight, and more than 1,500 feet of private shoreline. The estate captures the essence of the Maryland coastal lifestyle: boating on calm waters, fishing at dawn, or simply watching the day fade into the horizon from your own terrace. Behind its elegance lies a world of innovation. Lighting, climate, media, and security systems are all controlled by smart home technology. Every feature blends classic style with 21st century convenience. The custom carpentry, solid oak floors, and handcrafted railings tell the story of artisans who poured their skill into every detail. This is architecture built to last for generations. As you stand at the water's edge, the scale of the property stretches out before you: 91 acres of privacy, beauty, and unmatched serenity. This isn't just real estate, it's a vision of what the American dream can be when imagination meets craftsmanship. Presented by Doc Keane and Mark Bertinelli of Washington Fine Properties, this estate captures the perfect balance of grandeur and warmth. It's a place where family memories are made, where every sunset feels like a reward, and every morning brings new inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive journey. If you believe that luxury is more than just a lifestyle, if you believe it's an art form, then you belong here with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more spectacular tours of the world's finest properties. This is American Dream Mansions, inspiring your next dream home, one breathtaking estate at a time.